Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix FaceTime grayed out on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if the FaceTime option is grayed out on your iPhone and if you want to fix this issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then open Settings and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on Allowed Apps and Features. And from here, just make sure you enable FaceTime. Or you can go back and you can disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And by disabling this toggle, you will disable all the parental controls of your iPhone. After that, just go to your home screen and open the Phone app. And from here, just make sure that the phone number and the Apple ID or the email are correct. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then go to your home screen and open Settings. Now in the main settings page, just tap on Apps and from here just go to FaceTime. Tap on FaceTime. Now if the page looks something like this, just tap on the Apple ID at the top of the screen, then tap on Enter. Now just wait for the verifying process to complete. After the verifying process is completed, just make sure you enable FaceTime from here. After you enable FaceTime, in this section, just enter your Apple ID or your phone number so that people can contact you using the contact method which you have added. Now after that, just go back and tap on General. Then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Now from this menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. If this method did not work, then open Settings and tap on General. Then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Now this time just select Reset All Settings, and by doing that you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. After that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on your Apple ID and from here just sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is to force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you open the phone app, as you can see, this is how you can fix FaceTime grayed out on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.